Well, it's about 4:15 in the morning. I meant to wake up at 2, but I snoozed 2 hours. So, this is about the worst of Hurricane Michael that we're gonna get. The wind gusts are pretty cool. You can kind of see when there's a really big gust, you can kind of see it up in the air a little bit, like around that area. I tried to wake up Mom, but she told me at like 2 o'clock in the morning or something. She said, "Wake us up, we want to see it." And then I go in there and ask her if she wants to come see it. She's like, "No." So, it's just me. But the tornado watches and warnings and all that other good crap, those expired, about 30 minutes ago for the area, but the wind gusts are still pretty bad. It's gonna stay like this for about another 2 or 3 hours. Lots of rain. I don't want to go out there to show you anymore because my phone is waterproof, but I still don't want to test it out. And I think either a bug is following my phone or there's a ghost. Because there's a little white dot in the corner. It's Jesus. See, look. A little white dot. What is that? Yeah, there's a good wind gust you can see. I hear like semis going past on the freeway or on the highway. What do you have to deliver that is that important? Anyways, that is Hurricane Michael for us. Aerial flooding right over there. Hold on. Whoop. That's about it. Anyways, I'm tired and delirious. Bye.